Hi there friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Edna, and if you would like to learn how to crochet with wire to make these lovely earrings, then stick around because I'm going to show you how. I'm also going to show you how to make your own ear wires at the end of the video. So let's get started. You will need 50 4 and 6 millimeter crystal beads, chain nose pliers, flush cutters, round nose pliers, a 4.25 crochet hook, 20, 22, and 32 gauge wire, and a round object to make your earring hoop. I'm using a small round paint bottle, but if you have a mandrel, you could use that too. We'll start with 18 inches of 20 gauge wire. Make a loop 4 inches from one end of your wire. And by the way, if you would like me to create more free tutorials like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you enjoyed most about this video in the comment section below. Here I am taking my chain nose pliers and bending my loop at a 90 degree. Then wrap your wire around your round object as shown to prepare your earring loop. Using your chain nose pliers, just tuck in any loose ends and any sharp ends. Next, we will string our beads onto your 32 gauge wire, leaving the wire attached to the spool. To start your wire crochet, make a loop as shown and adjust it semi-loosely onto your crochet hook. You don't want to make it tight because this is wire. Just like that. Remove it from your loop and place your hook through the earring loop and place your loop back onto your hook. Chain 2, pull up a bead, and chain 1. Notice where my hook is going as I'm picking up the wire. You will then chain 1, pull up a bead, chain 1, and pull up a bead. Repeat this pattern until you have come to the end of your earring loop. I find that 32 gauge wire is so easy to work with. It is pliable. It bends easily. It's almost like using yarn. At the end of your chain, then chain 2 and pull out the last chain to 6 inches as shown. Using your flush cutters, snip the end and adjust your beads and wrap the extra wires around the base of your earring loop and trim the excess wire. Now you're going to repeat this entire process for the other pair of your earring. I'm not going to go through it all again, so I will fast forward a little bit. Now let's make the ear wires. Bend 6 inches of 22 gauge wire in half with your round nose pliers. Make a small hook at the closed end of your wire with your round nose pliers as shown, and make a larger hook with your bail making pliers as shown. I go into more detail about this step in my previous video, which I will attach the link to in the comment section below. Snip off the extra. And take your flush cutters and snip off at the very tip of that small hook. And you are now ready to add your lovely new earrings to your ear wires. Enjoy your new earrings, and I hope you make them as a gift, make them for yourself. It is so much fun to make. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Sending you much love. Bye-bye.